Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
The Wishing Stars.
What do you want to play today, Kit?
Let's look in the box.
Look, Kit, a telescope.
We can be astronomers.
And look at the stars.
From the tippy top of Mount Twinkletop. Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and ran with their telescope to the bottom of Mount Twinkletop.
Hello! Are you headed up to see the meteor shower?
Meteor shower?
Why, yes. Tonight the sky will be filled with shooting stars. Say, why don't we watch it together?
That would be great!
And we can look at the planets through my telescope, too.
Wow.
But the meteor shower doesn't start until after dark, so you better go inside and take a nap. Meet me up top at sunset, okay?
Sure.
See you at sunset.
Kit and Kate went inside the cabin and laid down to take a nap.
Just think of all the shooting stars we're gonna see tonight.
And all the wishes we can make. I'm gonna wish that I could turn into a balloon and float up to the clouds.
And I'm gonna wish that I had a neck like a giraffe so I could eat apples right from the tree.
Well, I wish I could fall asleep, but I'm too excited.
Me too.
Then let's just play till it's time to go.
How about tug of war?
Sure. Ready?
Go! My arms are tired.
Mine too.
I know. Let's hop around on one leg.
Okay.
Gee, my legs are tired.
My whole body's tired.
But we gotta stay up or we'll miss the star shower.
Right. Then you watch me and I'll watch you, and we'll make sure we don't fall asleep.
Good idea, but don't even blink.
Hey, where were you?
Huh?
The shooting stars were amazing.
You mean we missed it?
Yeah, it's over. Well, maybe next time.
When's next time?
In 100 years. So long.
100 years? Oh.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
What's wrong, kitties?
We fell asleep and missed tonight's shooting star shower.
How come? Didn't you take a nap today?
We tried to take a nap, but we couldn't fall asleep.
So we just played all afternoon, and that made us so tired we fell asleep just before it was time to leave.
And why couldn't you fall asleep when you laid down for your nap?
Because we were so excited talking about all the things we could wish for.
Wait, did you lie down to take a nap or to talk to each other?
To take a nap.
Oh, I understand. When it's time to take a nap, you need to quiet down so you can fall asleep. Thanks, Mom.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kit. But this time when we lay down for our nap, we'll stay nice and quiet.
And then it'll be a lot easier to fall asleep. Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their stargazing adventure all over again. But this time when they reached the cabin...
I can't wait to see that shooting star shower tonight.
Me neither. But now it's time for a nap.
Right. So that means it's quiet time.
Sweet dreams.
And by letting themselves calm down, Kit and Kate were able to fall asleep for an energizing nap. And when they woke, they were rested and ready to watch the shooting stars from the tippy top of Mount Twinkletop.
I see one!
Me too! Make a wish!
I wish that Kate gets everything she ever wishes for.
Thanks!
What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Duckie see, Duckie do.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
Let's look in the box.
Look, bathing suits.
And swim goggles. We can go play in the water.
Yeah, at Super Splash Park.
Super Splash-tastic.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and headed straight for Super Splash Park. They could hardly wait to start playing in the water.
Hi, ducks. Doesn't this place look like fun?
Fun? It looks awesome!
Ooh, rubber rafts and an octopus.
And a pirate ship! Arg!
Come on, let's go.
But when they got inside, the park didn't look quite like it did in the picture.
Kate, Super Splash Park doesn't look super at all. I mean, look! This rubber raft is no good.
Well, don't make it worse, Kit.
Come on, it's just one little patch. It was gonna fall off anyway. This place stinks.
Come on, Kit. It might not be perfect, but we can still have fun playing, right?
Yeah, right.
See, Mr. Octopus looks okay. Kinda.
Kinda junky, Kate. Look at these tentacles. They're all bent.
Hey, quit it, Kit.
It was already broken. Look, it's all messed up over here, too. And look at this ship. These masts are falling right over.
What was that?
Whoa! Ducks, what did you do? The park is ruined.
Now we can't even play even if we wanted to.
Oh, no!
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
What's wrong, kitties?
The ducks totally destroyed the water park.
Oh, wow. Did they break all of this?
Well, almost all of it.
Well, who else was breaking things?
I broke a couple things, but it was just little stuff, like the tip of an octopus arm.
Yeah, but nothing like the ducks. They wrecked the whole park.
Whoa. Where do you think the ducks got the idea that it was okay to break things at all?
Maybe after they saw me pull that patch off the rubber raft, they figured it was okay for them to break stuff.
Huh. And what do you think might have happened if you'd fixed the leaky rafts instead?
Maybe they would have fixed stuff too. Hey, I get it. Setting a bad example can make more bad things happen. But setting a good example can help good things happen. Thanks, Mom!
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. But this time, I'll try to set a good example for the ducks.
Now we know, so back we go.
Kit and Kate started their water park adventure all over again. But this time when they saw something broken...
This raft just needs a little patching up. There! That was easy.
Yay! It works now.
And when the ducks saw Kit fix something, they wanted to fix things too.
I wonder where they got that idea.
What else can we fix?
And soon, Super Splash Park looked even more super than the picture. A place where anyone would be happy to play. And thanks to Kit, Kate, and the ducks, happy is just what they were.
Ready? Whee!